got something here. You guys seen these things? Man, their advertising that I've seen lately in the last few weeks is just crazy. It's relentless. Everywhere, every video, every like other commercial, basically, I see these tactical snack things. Well, they sent me some, so thought I'd, give them a try. Why not, So these are called Watermelon Overwatch. I think they've got a couple other flavors, strawberry, another one. This one's a protein gummy, and this one's just a sour gummy. 3 grams of sugar, 8 grams of protein in this one. So we're going to give each one a try and to see what they taste like. I'll be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of watermelon flavored candies. Some of them are okay, depending on which ones it is, but I just don't eat that much. I'm a candy freak. I love candy a lot, but watermelon's not my favorite flavor, but some of them's okay, and I do eat it, because it's candy, and like I said, I love candy. Let's give these good things a try. Tactical Snacks, veteran owned. Pretty cool little packages. Let's take a look at them. All right, here they are. This is them. But I mean, I don't know if you guys have seen their advertisements lately, but I have, and it's like their advertising campaign is pretty on a pretty good budget, let's just say. Anyway, let's check this out. They're wanting to get the word out, but oh, they don't smell bad at all. All right, this is just the regular sour gummy right here. I'm not a huge fan of watermelon, like I said, but these really aren't, bad at all. Not bad at all. Check out these protein ones. Watch me struggle. My bad thumb. See, I can't even open it like this. I have to open it like this. Golly. How about we do this? All right. You smell a little more minerally. A little darker. Actually, just as sour as those. Not too much sour. Not like a warhead or anything. Those aren't bad. Not to say these actually have more watermelon flavor, but these definitely have watermelon flavor. A little quick protein if you need it. Something like that. So that's them right there. Not bad, not bad. I'll put a link down to them below. Check them out if you want. Something to throw in your pack. A little snack. Out doing a patrol. Out taking a walk. Something for the kids. Whatever, Pretty neat though. Tactical Snacks. I'm sure you've seen their advertisements. Anyway, guys, keep it heavy.